Wait, how do we introduce this one? Welcome to Shifting Gears with Kat. Yeah?
Yeah. What is the top speed of a 2004 Honda CBR 1000?
I don't remember. It, okay, so, alright. How fast can I go on it?
Well, let's start. How fast have you gone on it? I'm assuming that's the top speed.
167 miles per hour before I could not hold on anymore. Why do you ask me questions that can... Oh, our children should not copy the things that I've done in my life. I was riding through the canyons in California with my friends, and we were in a straightaway. Doesn't make it any better, I know. But there were no driveways, there were no cars, there was nothing but me and possibly the pebble that might kill me, and I actually got my bike as fast as I could go before I could no longer tuck deep enough to hold on, and that was 167 miles per hour on 2 wheels.
Would you say it's in your DNA?
Yes.
Oh, that's all I've got.
Thank you for joining us with Shifting Gears with Kat DeLorean. See you next time. Bye.
Well...